Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, is a new wave of innovation centered on automation, data exchange, and cyber-physical systems.
Industry 4.0 uses transformative technologies to connect the physical world with the digital world. The Industry 4.0 Hub aims to showcase these technologies in a collaborative environment open to industry, students, and entrepreneurs.
As research engineers at the Hub, we are here to assist you in utilising these new forms of technologies. We can provide professional training in the use of the equipment and its software, and in design prototyping. The Hub has become a vital network for all levels of creators through the inexpensive access to state-of-the-art 3D printers, programmable collaborative robots, and a precision laser cutter that streamline the process of research and development. Whether you're a leader in local business, hobbyist designer, or a student working on a HSC project, or anyone in between, the Industry 4.0 Hub has a range of equipment that can assist you with projects.
We aim to provide an accessible space to all sectors, from industry, education, and the general public. It's a place where people can come to design, collaborate, and learn. The Industry 4.0 Hub promotes inclusivity to all individuals wishing to learn about or access cutting-edge technology. The Industry 4.0 Hub is an exciting place to come and see the technology at work.
If you're interested in utilising the Hub, get in contact and we can organise a tour.